Geography, according to the Oxford Dictionary, is the study of the physical features of the Earth and its atmosphere, and of human activity as it affects and is affected by these, including the distribution of populations, resources, land use, and industries. So to me, that sounds like a bunch of random words, so I'll put it in simpler terms for you. It's just the land that we live on. Throughout my life, I loved geography, and even for fun, drew my own maps. Nerd? I know, but I've always been interested in political maps, how they formed, and how they affect us every day. In high school, I took a class called AP Human Geography, where the entire class was based upon the why of where. I absolutely loved this class, and if I could have gotten a job, I would have majored in cultural studies or something like that. In this class, we had map quizzes, where we had to name all the countries in a certain continent at a time. From this, I made a major realization. Americans know jack diddly shit about geography. We all learned geography very briefly in 4th grade, but who remembers that? The only way I know geography was because it was my entire childhood. Geography is so important for us to learn about. The Royal Geographical Society says that geography helps us to recognize the great differences in culture, political systems, economies, landscapes, and environments all across the world, and exploring the links between them. It brings people together in a cultural way. It helps us to learn why people come to celebrate different things. It gives us a better understanding of religions and so many more cultural differences. As Fairfield University students, there is a great emphasis of cultural competency placed on us, and geography will help us open our eyes to it. If you're sitting there saying, I'm not stupid, I know geography. Well, I'm not stupid, I know geography. To be brutally honest, you probably don't. I decided to do my own research here at Fairfield University. I asked 40 Jones Hall residents if they could point out Sudan on the map, a country that in the past years has gained a lot of attention due to the Civil War. Out of the 40 students, 28 students got it wrong, leaving only 12 students who got it right, a majority of which were honor students. In addition, one person who got it right completely guessed, and here's a reenactment of that. Is that Sudan? Bang! Let's go! In the end, more students need to know at least a little bit of geography so they know the world around them. Because you never know when you're going to be stopped in the Joe's kitchen and asked to point out Sudan. But in all seriousness, I believe that this is a very large issue at hand that needs to be fixed starting with the elementary, middle, and high schools. These schools do not put enough emphasis on cultural competency, which can easily start with learning other cultures and geography. This can be as small as taking a couple minutes each week to learn a new country or culture, to even having large culture fairs, where each student displays a new culture they learned about. No matter what, starting these basic geographical skills young will help society be more inclusive and more effective. I'll put it in the, what is it called? The
bloopers.
Bloopers, that's the word, thank you.